Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm sharing this recipe with you guys, my village style of cooking spaghetti. This is so delicious and it requires just some few ingredients. So I have my ingredients here, that is maggi cube, some paprika, curry powder, rosemary. I also have my salt, my tomato paste, some onions and garlic. I also have my herrings powder and also my spaghetti. So in my saucepan, I'm just going to add some little oil. And when it heats up, I'll be adding my chopped onions and garlic. And I'll allow it to fry for a minute. So after a minute of this onions frying, I'm just going to add my paprika, my curry powder, my maggi cube, and my rosemary. I'll just give this a gentle stir. Then I'll quickly add my salt and then followed by other ingredients. Now I'm adding tomato paste and I'll gently mix this too. Now that it is completely mixed together, I'm adding my fish powder. After mixing this for a minute, I'll add water and I'll stir and cover it to boil. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So now I have my spaghetti. I'm just going to open it up. Then I'll break it into smaller pieces. It depends on how you want it. You can divide it into two or more than that. Mine is smaller. So I'll do this for the rest of the spaghetti. And I'll open the lid to gently pour in my broken spaghetti. You can see it's boiling now. So I'll gently pour it in. I'll just use my spatula to push it down so that it can be covered with the stew. So at this point, I'll cover the lid again, and for 7 minutes, I'll let it to boil continuously. So now after 7 minutes, my spaghetti is cooked. This is a very delicious spaghetti jollof or pasta jollof. You can see how attractive the color is, and the taste is super. So now I'm just going to stir it this way to loosen it a little, and then I'll go ahead to do the serving. I'm now serving my super delicious spaghetti. Please do try this and come back to give your comments in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.